Welcome to one of British Columbia's most breathtaking drives, the scenic route from Yale to Hell's Gate, through the Grand Canyon of the Fraser River. This short stretch of highway packs in rugged cliffs, powerful river views, and 3 historic tunnels carved right through the mountain rock. As we leave Yale behind, the Trans-Canada Highway winds along steep canyon walls, following the path carved long ago by both the Fraser River and the Canadian Pacific Railway. The drive here is a masterpiece of engineering: narrow turns, deep valleys, and the roar of the river below. Between Yale and Hell's Gate, you'll pass through 3 tunnels, each blasted through solid rock to tame this wild stretch of land. These tunnels were built in the early 20th century, when expanding the highway through the canyon was one of BC's most challenging construction feats. Every tunnel you pass tells a story of grit, danger, and determination. Finally, the road opens up to Hell's Gate, one of nature's most dramatic sights. Today, this drive stands as a symbol of BC's rugged beauty and human perseverance. Whether you're here for the tunnels, the history, or the views, the Yale to Hell's Gate drive never disappoints. The Airtram is seasonal, operating roughly from late April to early or mid-October, depending on weather conditions and river flow. During these months, the reception and ticket office welcome thousands of visitors from around the world, making it one of the most popular attractions along the Fraser Canyon Highway. As of the latest season, the Hell's Gate Airtram ticket fares are approximately adults, 19 and older, $32.99 Canadian dollars, seniors, 65 and older, $32.99 Canadian dollars above, around $29 youth, ages 6 to 18, about $27 children under 5 years old. Ride-free tickets include a round-trip tram ride, full access to the observation decks, bridge, and all exhibits at the lower station.
Okay.
Encountered gate of hell. That's why this area is called Hell's Gate. The concrete structure used on both sides of the river are fish ladders.
Over 50 years since it first opened, the Hell's Gate Airtram continues to stand as a symbol of human engineering, meeting the raw power of nature, offering visitors a safe, unforgettable view of one of Canada's most dramatic landscapes.
Restaurant, gift shop, museum, and construction camps for one terminal. You can enjoy ice cream and handmade parts at fun factory, sandwiches, burgers, and coffee at the restaurant. You can watch the movie about the world at the museum. Just a reminder, the washrooms are located on the lower terminal and we are non-smoke facility. Thank you.
Over 50 years since it first opened, the Hell's Gate Airtram continues to stand as a symbol of human engineering meeting the raw power of nature, offering visitors a safe, unforgettable view of one of Canada's most dramatic landscapes. Even today, it remains one of only a few fully suspended gondolas in North America that descend instead of climb, taking visitors downward in the canyon rather than up a mountain. At the base, visitors can explore walkways, the Hell's Gate suspension bridge, the Salmon Interpretive Center, and a riverside cafe and gift shop. The site also includes rest areas, a museum-style exhibit, and viewing decks for photography and sightseeing. When you step off the Hell's Gate Airtram and walk down to the lower terminal, you'll find something special, a cozy little spot called Simon's Cafe. Tucked right beside the roaring Fraser River, this cafe gives visitors one of the most unforgettable dining views in British Columbia. Here you can sit back with a warm meal or a cold drink, while gazing straight into the heart of the Fraser Canyon, where millions of liters of water surge through the narrowest point of the river. Cut to inside the cafe. The cafe's menu is simple but comforting, from classic burgers and fries to salmon chowder and their popular salmon burger, made with locally inspired flavors. There's also a small fudge factory nearby where you can grab fresh handmade sweets, a perfect treat while taking in the view. Transition to scenic shots through cafe windows. What truly makes Simon's Cafe special isn't just the food, it's the setting. You're surrounded by steep canyon walls that rise hundreds of feet above, with the sound of the river echoing through the gorge. As you eat, you can feel the tremor of the water below and the mist rising through the canyon, a reminder of the sheer power of nature all around you. As you step off the Airtram at the bottom station of Hell's Gate, the world around you suddenly changes. The air feels cooler, the roar of the Fraser River echoes through the canyon walls, and everywhere you look, you're surrounded by the raw power of nature. Down here, the Fraser River squeezes through a gorge just 35 meters wide, forcing millions of liters of water through every second. You can actually feel the vibration of the river beneath your feet. A deep, thunderous pulse that never stops. Look up and you'll see the Airtram cables stretching high above you, connecting the calm world at the top to this dramatic canyon floor below. The steep rock walls rise hundreds of feet on both sides, painted with shades of gray, brown, and mossy green. It's a humbling reminder of how powerful and ancient this landscape really is. From here, you can walk across the Hell's Gate suspension bridge. It sways gently above the roaring water, offering a view that's both breathtaking and a little intimidating. This is the same spot that early explorers and railway workers once feared to cross. Now it's one of the most photographed places in British Columbia. From the bottom station of Hell's Gate, every direction tells a story. The power of water, the challenge of building through nature, and the beauty that draws travelers back year after year. It's one of those rare places where you don't just see nature, you can feel it.
Oh my god, that's beautiful.
It's rather easy.
I miss Japanese food a lot.
You miss Japanese food?
Yeah.
Come to visit Vancouver.
Yeah.
Japanese live over there.
I used to live in Canada, like in Vancouver, for like my program, like a customer service school. And I'm now with
As the tram rises back up the canyon, the roar of the Fraser River slowly fades into the distance. The cliffs that felt so close just moments ago now slip away beneath your feet, and that wild energy, that power of nature, becomes a memory.